Ready to dive into the lightning-fast world of Solana and snag some SOL using the Phantom wallet? First, head over to Phantom app, or find Phantom Wallet in the Chrome Web Store. Click Install to add the Phantom Wallet extension to your browser. Once installed, click the Phantom icon in your browser. If you're new to Phantom, select Create a new wallet. If you already have one, choose I already have a wallet and import using your secret recovery phrase. This next step is crucial. Write down your secret recovery phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. This is your only way to recover your wallet. If you lose access, confirm you've saved it on the following screen and create a strong password. Now that your wallet is set up, let's fund it. Click the deposit button. You'll see a few options. If you already have crypto, choose Send from another wallet and copy your Solana address to send SOL or another supported token like USDC to your Phantom wallet. Alternatively, you can buy with credit card through a third-party provider directly within Phantom. Once your wallet is funded, click the swap icon, which looks like two arrows pointing in opposite directions. Select the token you want to exchange for SOL. Choose SOL as the token you want to receive. Enter the amount you want to swap. Review the details and click Swap. Double-check all the details, especially the network fees, and then confirm the transaction. In just a few seconds, you will have SOL in your Phantom wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully bought Solana using your Phantom wallet. Now you're ready to explore the amazing world of Solana. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.